Hello everybody, it's Sunana and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to surprise my sister with something she really loves, and she's really stressed today and she's so into her laptop the whole day almost. So I thought I'll surprise her with this. So stay tuned, I'm going right there. Hello. I need you to help me finish something.
5 minutes.
No, right now.
Alright.
Come on.
Why are we here exactly?
Abracadabra.
What?
Yeah, and wait for it.
They say it's a biryani that was worth a war, and we can vouch for that. Dum gosh biryani, regular boneless, succulent pieces of mutton laid on a bed of long grain rice are slow cooked on charcoal fire with wellness boosting secret spices. Considered as a complete meal and an effective way to treat wartime fatigue. Served with 1 gulab jamun and mint raita.
Close your eyes. What is it?
Mutton biryani!
Yes! So you were stressed out today. You were totally not taking your eyes off the laptop, so I thought I'll surprise lunch for you. And guys, this is from a place called Behrouz Biryani in Bangalore. This place had come to my rescue when I really craved those yummy, juicy meat, especially mutton. They do have good chicken as well. Their mutton is really good. So I was just simply checking in Swiggy, what do I get? I saw Behrouz here in Kochi as well. Oh, I was like, no way, I'm gonna get this and nothing else. So I'm gonna let her taste because this is the first time for my sister. She doesn't care that I'm talking, she's getting ready.
I love mutton biryani.
I know
We
that.
don't get to have mutton biryani always because we are on strict diet, we don't have red meat, and we are mostly chicken lovers, but there's one part in me that's crazy about mutton, and I'm getting those yummy aroma and I can't stop.
Yeah. And you have raita and delicious gulab jamun with this. I'm opening up the raita for my sister.
The rice looks really nice. It's called Behrouz, is it?
Behrouz biryani.
Okay, they say Behrouz the Royal Biryani.
Ooh. So you get to take the first bite, and after that I'll barge in too. I have another surprise, by the way. After you take the first bite, I want to see your reaction and then I'll show you.
Man, there's a huge mutton.
Just take the first.
I mean, I really don't know if I'll be able to take it out. It's like too huge. Maybe I should take it.
Yeah. Yeah,
Ooh.
that's it.
Ooh. Right.
Good. Try
It's
this.
yum. It's yum.
Do you want the second surprise?
Good.
Mummy's special sweet lassi.
Awesome.
Yeah. She was making it and I'm like, no, don't tell her about this. I'm gonna double surprise her.
I'm going crazy with all this.
Okay, now
So you want to have a bite?
Let me go ahead.
Yeah. Because I don't think I'm going to stop. You have your share. I never knew there was something like this here. It's awesome.
and I like the way they package. they have this small box of biryani, and it comes as a full package where you get in and you see the sections. It's really cute. There's a small section just for the biryani, and then there is, of course, these cute little dabbas for raita and gulab jamun.
I really don't know. Firstly, it's a surprise. And I'm like taking time to digest the entire thing. I never thought I'd have mutton biryani on the table today. And it's like so sweet. I really feel like having this raita again.
The raita is really tasty. It's a little different. There's a little pudina, jeera tinge to it.
It's a traditional taste. And who would not love traditional taste? Are these boneless muttons?
Yes, these are boneless.
Wholesome. Very nice.
She's gonna finish the whole thing.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for this.
I love giving surprises.
One more bite.
Go ahead. I'm so glad I could get this for her. Whenever I used to get this mutton biryani in Bangalore, I used to think of my sister. I'm like, oh, I wish I could have this with her, because we both are biryani heads. We love having biryani. We love tasting different kinds of biryani. And the mutton biryani here is just absolutely mesmerizing. I'm so glad I found Bairo's biryani in Kochi. I got you to taste it.
Yay! Can I have mom's lassi, by the way? What name? She is an excellent cook, for those who do not know. Wow. I feel like I've had some daba khana, you know. I'm just realizing I was so stressed out today. And how food transforms the entire mood is so magical. I mean, how do I say that? I mean, your mind is full of happiness, and you know, you have this positive attitude of, yes, we can solve things right now. That's the magic of food. Once it gets into your tummy, you know, the air is clear and you have a lot of solutions popping up instantly.
I totally agree. 2 months back, we were in office, we were doing our thing. That small break you take, it can be the lunch break or the 5 minutes tea break, you go and have that samosa, that chai, that refreshment you feel. It's needed, guys. It's needed.
Thank you so much for this.
Well, thanks to Behrooz and my dear sister for making my day. Gone are those days when we had biryani dates. I suggest dating a biryani instead. Peace. The more you uncover the layers, the more delicious. We rate this one a 4 for the traditional taste, perfectly cooked mutton, the juicy German of course. Just look at us. The indulgence was so much that we realized that we hadn't shot the closing clip for this video. Hence we thought of showing you all what we were busy doing instead. If you really liked our hogging session, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Toodles!